Today's stitch is going to be the cable for forwards. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stitches in our pattern, but we'll be moving the first 4 stitches total. Take your cable needle and sliding the first and second stitch onto your cable needle, pull those to the forward of your work, or the front. Then we'll be knitting 1, 2 stitches, then with our cable needle, we'll also knit those 2 stitches. So that's knit 3 and knit 4. For a cable for forwards. To finish off our braid, we'll knit 2 more, because this is a 6-stitch cable braid. Now we will repeat this stitch a few more times before moving on to its alternate, the cable for back. With your yarn at the back, let's start our next cable for forwards. Slipping our cable's needle into our first 2 stitches, we'll hold those at the front. Knit now into the next stitch on your needle. That's knit 1, knit 2, pull your cable needle stitches into place, and we'll knit stitches 3 and stitch 4. And that is a cable for forwards. We'll knit the remaining 2 of our 6-stitch cable braid. We'll work another cable for forwards by slipping our cable needle into the first 2 stitches on our needles, holding those at the front. We knit the next 2 stitches, so that's knit 1, knit 2, and then position our cable stitches, knit 3, and knit that last one. And that is the 4 stitches of a cable for forwards. Knit the remaining 2 of our 6-stitch braid. We've now completed the right hand side of our 6-stitch cable braid. Let's do one more example, as this produces a right hand crossover of any kind of cable stitch you're stitching. We slide the first 2 stitches onto our cable needle. Knit the first stitch on our needle, the second stitch on our needle, return to our cable needle, and knit the third and fourth stitches in our cable for forwards. Now let's work a cable 4 back stitch. This is the left side of a cable braid. You'll knit your first 2 stitches. And this time you'll be putting your cable needle in the back of your stitches, sliding those to the back of your work, then knitting the remaining 2 stitches in your 6 stitch pattern. So that's knit 1, knit 2, position your cable needle, knit 3, and knit 4 from the back of your work. Let's work another one. We will knit our first 2 stitches. So that's knit 1, knit 2, with your cable needle going into the back of your stitches. You'll slide 2 of those onto your cable needle, leave them at the back of your work. Knit 1 off your needle, knit 2 off your needle, and return to your cable needle, knitting stitches 3, and 4 of the cable 4 back. Let's work our cable 4 back stitch 2 more times. This is knit 1, knit 2, with our cable needle, slide our next 2 stitches, leaving those at the back of our work, knit 1 off our needle, 2 off our needle, position our cable needle, and complete stitches 3, and 4. We'll do this one more time. You've got knit 1 of your 6 stitches, knit 2, slide those next 2 stitches onto your cable needle, leaving them at the back of your work, knit 1 off your needle, 2 off your needle, position your cable needle, and complete stitches 3 and 4. And that completes our cable 4 back.